Still using that old toaster oven? You might be missing out on faster meals and better flavors. Don't settle for less. Discover the best countertop ovens that can handle anything you throw at them. All the details are in the description box below. Let's dive into our search for the best countertop oven by starting with the Café Couture oven, a model that immediately stands out for its striking design and thoughtful engineering. When you first set eyes on the Café Couture oven, you'll notice its modern matte white finish and minimalist aesthetic, making it a beautiful addition to any kitchen. But beyond looks, this oven is designed for serious performance and versatility. It offers a range of cooking functions including air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, and reheat, allowing you to tackle everything from crispy fries to perfectly baked cookies. The intuitive digital controls and clear display make selecting your preferred cooking mode effortless, and the oven's compact footprint ensures it won't dominate your countertop space. As you use the Café Couture oven, you'll appreciate its even heat distribution, which ensures consistent results whether you're toasting bread or roasting vegetables. Being one of the best rated convection ovens, this popular oven is engineered to deliver precision with each function, so you can expect your meals to come out just the way you like them. The interior is spacious enough to fit a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread, making it ideal for both everyday use and entertaining. The oven also features a powerful convection fan, which circulates hot air for faster and more even cooking, so you can enjoy golden brown results with less wait time. One of the standout benefits of the Café Couture oven is its attention to detail in user experience. The oven door opens smoothly and stays cool to the touch, while the interior light lets you monitor your food without interrupting the cooking process. Cleanup is simple thanks to the stainless steel interior and removable crumb tray, so you can spend more time enjoying your meals and less time scrubbing. The included accessories such as the air fry basket and baking pan are designed to maximize the oven's versatility and help you get the most out of every function. For anyone seeking a top-rated countertop oven that combines style, functionality, and ease of use, the Café Couture oven is a compelling choice. Whether you're reheating leftovers, baking desserts, or crisping up snacks, this oven delivers reliable performance and elevates your cooking routine with both form and function. Moving on to the next contender on my best convection oven list, we have the Nuwave Breville XL Pro, which offers a robust set of features tailored for those who want precision and flexibility in their countertop oven. This oven is engineered with a powerful convection system that ensures heat is evenly distributed, making it perfect for baking, roasting, broiling, air frying, and dehydrating. The Breville XL Pro is particularly notable for its integrated temperature probe, which allows you to cook meats to your exact preferred doneness without any guesswork. With its large capacity, you can fit a 13-inch pizza or up to 9 slices of toast, making it suitable for families or anyone who likes to entertain. As you explore the Breville XL Pro's capabilities, you'll find its digital controls and LCD display intuitive and easy to use. The oven offers multiple preset functions, so you can quickly select the right mode for your dish, and the adjustable fan speeds give you even more control over your cooking results. The Breville XL Pro's quartz heating elements respond rapidly, reducing preheat times and ensuring your food cooks quickly and evenly. The oven also features a sturdy stainless steel exterior, which not only looks sleek, but also resists fingerprints and smudges. One of the key advantages of the Nuwave Breville XL Pro is its versatility. You can use it for everything from air frying crispy chicken wings to baking artisan bread, and the included accessories such as the air fry basket, baking pan, and wire rack expand your cooking options. The oven's interior is designed for easy cleaning with a removable crumb tray and steel surfaces that wipe down effortlessly. If you're seeking the best convection oven, then you'll love that the combination of high power and precise temperature control means you can achieve professional quality results at home, whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out. Users of the Breville XL Pro will appreciate how this oven streamlines meal preparation and delivers consistent, delicious results. Its large capacity, advanced features, and user-friendly design make it a standout option for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a reliable and versatile countertop oven. Next up on my best countertop convection oven list, let's transition to the Ninja DCT 451 Smart Double Oven, which is a unique appliance that brings dual oven functionality to your countertop. This model is perfect for multitaskers and families who value efficiency and flexibility in the kitchen. With two independent ovens, you can toast bread in the upper compartment while roasting vegetables or air frying in the lower oven all at the same time. The top oven is specifically designed for baking and toasting, offering a traditional bake and toast experience without the use of convection, which means your bread comes out crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside, just like classic oven toast. The lower oven of the Ninja DCT 451 is where the convection magic happens. It's ideal for air frying, baking, roasting, and reheating. Using powerful 1,800 watt heating elements to deliver fast, even results. The oven's digital controls are intuitive, allowing you to customize settings for each compartment independently. A built-in thermometer ensures that meats and casseroles reach the perfect internal temperature, taking the guesswork out of cooking. When using the Ninja DCT 451, you'll notice how quiet and efficient it is, with minimal noise compared to other multifunction ovens. The dedicated instant on-off button, light controls, and easy-to-clean surfaces make everyday use a breeze. The oven's accessories are well crafted and fit perfectly, allowing you to maximize the range of dishes you can prepare. Whether you're making toast and coffee in the morning or preparing a full dinner in the evening, this oven adapts to your needs and delivers consistent results. This model is especially beneficial for those who love the convenience of a toaster oven, but want the added benefits of air frying and convection cooking. The Ninja Smart Double Oven offers a unique combination of features that make it a versatile and indispensable tool for any kitchen, providing flexibility, speed, and reliable performance for a wide range of cooking tasks. Now let's take a look at the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, a standout for those who need both capacity and versatility. With its impressive 26-quart interior, this oven can handle a whole chicken, a 12-inch pizza, or a full tray of cookies, making it ideal for large families or anyone who loves to entertain. The French door design provides easy access to the spacious interior, while the stainless steel exterior adds a professional touch to your kitchen. As the best extra-large countertop convection oven, the Emeril Lagasse oven is equipped with 24 one-touch cooking presets, covering everything from air frying and baking to roasting, dehydrating, and slow cooking. This wide range of functions means you can replace multiple kitchen appliances with a single unit, streamlining your cooking process and saving valuable counter space. The digital controls are straightforward and responsive, allowing you to select your desired function and temperature with precision. The oven also features 360-degree hot air circulation, ensuring your food cooks evenly and comes out crispy and delicious with less oil. Included with the Emeril Lagasse oven are 7 premium accessories such as an air fry basket, rotisserie spit, bake pan, and more, which expand your cooking possibilities and make it easy to tackle a wide variety of recipes. The oven's powerful convection system accelerates cooking times and delivers consistent results so you can prepare meals quickly and efficiently. The French doors not only look elegant, but also make it easy to load and unload dishes without having to reach over a hot door. Using the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, you'll find that it brings a new level of convenience and versatility to your kitchen. Whether you're air frying for a healthier alternative, baking for a crowd, or slow cooking a hearty stew, this oven is designed to deliver chef-quality results with minimal effort. The combination of large capacity, multiple presets, and premium accessories make it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their home cooking experience with a really good countertop oven. So, what is the best countertop oven on the market? While it's a close call with the Emeril Lagasse oven, I'd say that the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is the best countertop oven overall because it's a model renowned for its advanced technology and exceptional versatility. This oven is equipped with Element IQ technology, which automatically adjusts the power of its 6 independent quartz heating elements to deliver precise and even cooking. The large capacity interior can accommodate a 13-inch pizza, a full-size baking pan, or even a turkey, making it ideal for both everyday meals and special occasions. As the best countertop oven for baking, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro offers a wide array of functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, toast, bagel, and slow cook. Each function is easily accessible via the intuitive LCD display and control dial, allowing you to fine-tune time and temperature settings for perfect results. The powerful convection fan ensures that hot air circulates evenly throughout the oven, reducing cooking times and producing crisp, golden brown finishes on everything from fries to pastries. One of the key benefits of the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is its ability to deliver professional quality results with minimal effort. The oven's smart algorithms optimize cooking based on the selected function, so you can trust that your food will be cooked to perfection every time. The included accessories, such as the air fry basket, enamel roasting pan, and pizza pan, add to the oven's versatility and make it easy to tackle a wide range of recipes. The interior light and large viewing window let you monitor your food without opening the door, preserving heat and ensuring consistent results. When you use the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, you'll appreciate its combination of power, precision, and ease of use. Whether you're air frying for a healthier meal, baking artisan bread, or roasting a holiday bird, this oven rises to the occasion with reliable performance and advanced features. It's the best countertop oven for baking, and more for anyone seeking a high-performance countertop oven that can handle just about any cooking task with style and efficiency. That wraps up our roundup of the best countertop oven options available right now. From baking to broiling, these ovens offer versatility and convenience for any kitchen. If you're ready to upgrade, don't forget to check out the links to current prices in the description box below.